Toby buys a Bluetooth speaker for $45.50, which means in my tape, $45.50 is the whole amount. That's the original amount. That's what the speaker starts off at. Toby will also have to pay a 7% sales tax. So what does that look like on the tape? If I'm going to pay a 7% sales tax, that means my price will go up by 7%. The question says, how much is the total amount charged to Toby's credit card? Okay, so I know the whole amount is $45.50, so we can start the percent equation once again and know that the whole amount, the original amount, is $45.50. So then just like last time, the problem that we have is what's the percent that I use? Because they tell me 7%, but sometimes that means I take away 7% and it's really 93%. Or sometimes it's 7% in addition to, so it would be like 107%. Any of those three. So let's read the problem. How much is the total amount charged to Toby's credit card? So if they want to know the total amount, I don't care about the 7% by itself because I'm not going to pay 7%. It says a 7% sales tax. The total amount charged to Toby's credit card. Well, if I have a 7% sales tax, I'm not going to save 7%. Sales tax always raises my price. If I want to know the total amount, that means I want to know how big this tape diagram is, plus an additional 7%. So I'm going to pay the entire cost, $45.50, plus an additional 7%, which means the total amount would be 107% of $45.50. So the total would be 1.07 times 45.50. You've got your calculator out too, don't need to wait for me. And your calculator says your total should be $48.685. That's not an amount of money we can use, right? Because that would be $48.68 plus another half of a penny. So here's the question. If you're the store owner, if you're the government agency assigning the sales tax, are you going to round that down? You're going to round that up. If 5 or above, give it a shove. So the total would actually be, Toby's going to pay $48.69. All right, so I should be able to see on your paper then the tape diagram, including the 7% increase, and the percent equation. You see at the bottom of this screen it says complete number 3 and number 4 on your own, and yes, I mean that. Number 4 is going to be submitted as an exit ticket, so before you leave class today, make sure that both of those answers get submitted in Google Classroom. Once you get to the back of the page, you can do that with a partner as long as both of you are done with the front. So 3 and 4 on your own, then we'll look at partners.